Hello and welcome to Health Baby Happy Mama, 2 hearts emoji. If you are a new mom or soon-to-be parent, this video is for you. Taking care of a newborn can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. Today I'll share 10 essential baby care tips every mom should know. These tips will help keep your baby safe, healthy, and happy, while also giving you more confidence as a parent. Tip 1. Breastfeeding Basics, 041 to 135. Breastfeeding is one of the best gifts you can give your baby. Breast milk provides the perfect nutrition and strengthens your baby's immune system. Try to nurse your baby every 2 to 3 hours during the first months. Make sure the baby latches properly so feeding is comfortable for both of you. If breastfeeding is challenging, don't feel guilty, formula is also a healthy choice. The key is making sure your baby gets enough nourishment. Sleep safety is very important. Always place your baby on their back to sleep, never on the stomach. Use a firm mattress with a fitted sheet, and keep the crib free of pillows, blankets, or stuffed toys. This reduces the risk of SIDS, sudden infant death syndrome. Also, keep the baby in your room but not in your bed, at least for the first 6 months. Safe sleep means peace of mind for you and protection for your baby. Bathing a newborn may feel scary at first, but it becomes easier with practice. Use lukewarm water and a mild baby soap. Support your baby's head and neck while washing. Remember, babies don't need a bath every day, 2 to 3 times a week is enough. On other days, a gentle sponge bath will do. After bathing, dry your baby quickly, wrap them in a soft towel, and keep the room warm to prevent chills. Crying is your baby's way of communicating. They may be hungry, tired, wet, or just want to be held. Try soothing by rocking gently, swaddling in a light blanket, or offering a pacifier. Singing softly, white noise, or gentle shushing can also calm a baby. If crying continues for hours and nothing seems to work, check with your doctor. Remember, it's okay, all babies cry, and you're not doing anything wrong. Around 6 months of age, most babies are ready for solids. Start with simple purees like mashed avocado, banana, or sweet potato. Introduce one food at a time so you can watch for allergies. Begin with small spoonfuls and increase gradually. Remember, breast milk or formula should still be the main source of nutrition until 12 months. Solids are a fun way for your baby to explore new tastes and textures. Routine checkups are important for tracking your baby's growth and development. Pediatric visits usually include weight, length, and head measurements. Your doctor will also check milestones like rolling over, sitting, or babbling. These visits are a chance to ask questions and get reassurance. And don't forget about vaccinations, they protect your baby from serious diseases. Always keep your child's health card up to date. As your baby starts moving, safety becomes a top priority. Baby-proof your home by covering electrical outlets, securing cabinets, and keeping small objects out of reach. Never leave your baby unattended on beds, couches, or changing tables. If you have stairs, install safety gates. Make sure all cleaning products and medicines are stored away. A safe home environment gives your little one freedom to explore without unnecessary risks. Baby skin is soft but also sensitive. Use fragrance-free lotions and mild detergents for clothes. Avoid harsh soaps or adult skin products. If your baby develops diaper rash, change diapers frequently and use a protective cream with zinc oxide. For dry skin, a gentle moisturizer after bathing works wonders. And remember, babies under 6 months should not be exposed to direct sunlight, always keep them shaded and protected. Taking care of yourself is part of taking care of your baby. New moms often forget their own needs, but rest, hydration, and proper meals are important for your strength and mental health. Don't be afraid to ask for help from your partner, family, or friends. Even a short nap or shower can recharge you. A healthy, happy mom means a healthier, happier baby. Bonding builds trust and emotional connection. Hold your baby skin to skin, make eye contact, and talk to them often. Sing songs, read short books, and smile. Babies recognize voices and faces very early. These small actions build a sense of security and love that will benefit your baby for life. Remember, bonding is not about perfection, it's about being present and loving. Thank you for watching Health Baby Happy Mama, 2 hearts emoji. I hope these 10 baby care tips help you feel more confident and supported on your parenting journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another mom who might need these tips. See you in the next video.